Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you saw by the title, I finally got my hands on some Skims swimwear. I was so mad during the first swimwear drop when I wasn't able to get anything. There were so many people who weren't able to get anything at all, and there's still people, including myself, who are asking for another release. She has not released any more of those swimwear pieces, but she did release a new metallic swimwear collection, and that's what I was able to get my hands on. And of course, I'm letting you guys know my thoughts on this line. So I picked up about 4 different pieces from this collection, 2 colors. They had a silver color, a rose gold color, and a regular gold color. And honestly, I wasn't sure what to get. I just knew that I didn't want the gold color because I just didn't feel like it would look right with my skin tone. So I got the rose gold, and then I also got the silver to try out. I did get a 1-piece, and I got a 2-piece set along with a cover up. So if you guys are interested in that, then just keep watching. All right, so let's start off with the 1-piece. This is the one that I picked up, and I really had no idea how this was gonna fit me. It looked really good on Kim and on the models, but I was just like, how is this going to fit? Because normally when it comes to 1-pieces, since I'm a lot smaller on my upper body than I am in my lower body, 1-pieces don't tend to work out incredibly well. But for this one, I was honestly pretty surprised. As you can see, the outside is the metallic fabric, but on the inside it is lined with just swimsuit fabric, and that definitely helps make it more comfortable, not see-through. None of this stuff is see-through. As you can see from the back, it is not a thong bathing suit, which I appreciate honestly, because I feel like a lot of swimsuits, they tend to be very up there, and not everybody wants that. I feel like this swimsuit actually has the right amount of exposure when it comes to every piece of it. Honestly, the back of it is my favorite section. I just feel like it looks so cool when you have it on. But let me stop talking and let me just show you what this looks like. When I first put this on, I thought I was gonna be a little bit uncomfortable, but it's oddly shaped the right way, so I don't feel like anything is slipping out from underneath. I actually think it's pretty cute. I'm not sure about the metallic, but yeah, I think that it's really cute. So this does not come down too low or too high, which is great. I also like the fact that this part doesn't make me feel like I'm spilling or anything like that. This is what the back of it looks like. I think the back is the cutest part of this swimsuit. I love that it's racer back. I just think that it does a really good job of bringing this in, and it just looks really cute. I think she did a really good job on this, and honestly, the reason why I purchased this over the other 1-piece is because it looked really great on her and the models. So I think that this one's pretty comfortable. It feels like it's holding me together, so I think this one is a great one. As you saw, I feel like she did a great job of just having this cut in the right way, where it's not cut too low on the bottom portion, it's not too cheeky, it's just the right amount in my opinion. The top part, I feel like it's the perfect sizing for me, but I feel like if you have a bigger cup size, that I don't know if this is going to really cover enough without you like being exposed underneath or something. Unless you like that look. There's some people who like that look, but I don't. The only thing that I can see with this is like it would give you some interesting tan lines. This is the top for the second piece that I picked up, and these are the bottoms. So this is what I got in rose gold. I wanted the swimsuit top that was just like the triangle top, but those sold out so fast, so I was only able to get my hands on this one. I like that they included just like a little strap. It goes on halter and it does adjust, but I love the fact that it gives you an option for both. I feel like this held me in well enough that I didn't really need this, but it's always really good to have this as an option. You can't really tell, but on the inside of the side sections of this swimsuit, it has some really, I don't want to say hard, but some very sturdy material on the inside, and I think that it's just made so that it gives you structure and really holds you in without slipping off from your sides, which I think is really good. The inside, like I said, with the other one is lined with that same exact fabric, except this one is nude so that it matches back to the outside color, so that's great. The bottoms, what I really like about these is that they're not cut too low, they are not too high, and they're not too cheeky. As you can see. I think that this is the perfect amount of exposure. You're not overdoing it. These did not ride down at all, but as you can see on me, they kind of dug into the sides of my thighs and hips. So I don't know, maybe I should have gone with a size large on these. This is a medium, and for reference, I'm a size 10 in jeans, 43-inch hips. And let me just show you what these look like on. I love how this fits up top. I think it's really cute. This is also removable. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like with the little strap. But if you do have bigger boobs, I don't know if this is gonna be too supportive. Bottoms are pretty good. They're just digging on my sides. The back of it is just a little bit cheeky, which is fine. I like the fact that it isn't too cheeky, and it's actually pretty comfortable. And the color, I think it's an adorable color for the summertime. So I did want to get one of the cover-ups. I wanted to get the skirt, but that was like the first thing to go out of this entire collection in all the colors in my size. So I ended up going with these shorts, and I got it in this color to match back to the two-piece set. Again, I got this in a size medium, but honestly, I feel like with these bottoms, I probably should have gone up to a size large, because especially these shorts, these were very tough to get on. They were pretty tight. They are stretchy, but you have to really wear them and put them on and move around in them for them to really like stretch out, which I wasn't really a fan of. So I'm thinking maybe if I would have went up to a size large, that these would have been a little bit more comfortable. They are a great length. They're not too long, not too short, and honestly, wearing this with the two-piece set, I think that this is such a cute swim outfit, but I don't think that I would get too much use out of these, again, because they just fit too tight around my thighs. It does have this elastic at the waist, so it does hold you up. All right, so I also picked up the shorts because I was not able to get my hands on the like wrap or the skirt or whatever it is. They are a little bit tight around my thighs. They're a little bit tight overall. They were definitely a struggle to get up, not gonna lie. Together it does look cute, but I just don't know if I am a huge fan of the shorts. Maybe it's just the way that they fit, because they fit very snug. I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan. They're not the worst, but they're really not the best in my opinion. It makes for a cute set and a cute like little cover up sort of thing. I don't know if these shorts are cutting it for me. So overall, I think that this swim collection, I think that it was good, but it wasn't my favorite, if I'm gonna be 100% honest. The pieces are very cute. All of these pieces are very, very well made. I will give it that, but I feel like they're just honestly not my favorite swim pieces. So just pay attention to the measurements. Really make sure that you're getting a size that you're going to be comfortable with, especially if you don't want to do the whole return exchange process. But like I said, this was a good swimwear line, but it wasn't my favorite. She does have some cute pieces in here, but honestly, I would probably not pick these up if I had to do it all over again. I would definitely just wait for the next drop, because I feel like those would be a little bit more worth it and a little bit more comfortable. But that's just my opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like down below and leave me a comment as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.